name is Alex Dale, and I'm currently in Fingal Head Coast Care, where we are now, and I'm also with another crew of people, another organisation called Friends of Cudgen Nature Reserve, and up until recently I was with Team Koala, mainly in the advocacy side of things, with stalls at Pottsville markets. Most volunteers spend 3 hours here, usually from 8 till 11 a.m. Same on a Saturday morning, it might be 9 till 12. I do it because of, well, for a start, the camaraderie of all the friends I work with, and they're all like-minded, they're all into conservation and trying to green the planet and save the planet and save the koalas and just grow more gum trees and just see more bush. I love it, the fact that someone has put me in and nominated, and it's good to see that I'm getting some rewards for all the years and years and years I've been volunteering with different organisations, and it's a little bit of a reward at the end, I suppose. Not that I've always wanted a reward at the end, but it's good to see that I might be appreciated.